They call it the southern end. It's Southern Lancaster County, where rolling hills and rich agricultural heritage meet one of the most competitive real estate markets in the region. Known locally as Solanco, this 180 square mile area borders Maryland to the south, the Susquehanna River to the west, and Chester County to the east, with Quarryville serving as the hub of commerce and surrounded by 8 townships. Right now, Lancaster County is a strong seller's market, but selling a unique property, large estate, or multi-generational farm in a community rooted in agriculture and diverse local businesses requires more than a traditional listing. It requires a strategy that creates true competition. At HK Keller, we specialize in a proven, transparent auction process that puts the power back in your hands. When you choose an auction with us, you pay 0 seller commissions. Our 10% buyer's premium covers the transaction costs, putting more money in your pocket. Plus, the buyer covers all the transfer taxes, saving you even more. We don't just wait for the right buyer. We go out and find them. Your property is exposed to over 100,000 agents through the Bright MLS, backed by aggressive digital and print marketing. This creates urgency and a competitive bidding environment that drives your property to its true market value. We also believe in total cooperation. We work with real estate agents, paying a 3% commission to the buyer's representative to ensure maximum participation. It's a seamless, stress-free process designed to give you a predictable sales timeline with no contingencies. Local experience matters, and that's where I, Steve Herr, come in. Raised on a family dairy and beef farm in Colerain Township, I learned the strong work ethic common to farm families in Solanco. I spent my entire career in customer service, including years in the farm equipment industry, and have been a realtor since 2004. With hundreds of negotiated transactions, I bring seasoned guidance and practical insight to every client relationship. I see myself as more than just a real estate agent and auctioneer. I want to be your trusted partner and commit to your success. If you're ready to see how an auction can work for your Southern Lancaster County property, contact me today for a free, no obligation consultation.